Hello friend, this is me Bijay Kumar Chauhan, and in this video I will discuss the role of the headmaster in curriculum implementation. For this describing the role of headmaster in curriculum implementation, I have made some points. So let's start my video with very first point, role in planning. So this is the very important role of headmaster in implementing the curriculum is to make a plan, like what to do, when to do, and how to do. So regarding the planning, I have made some sub point, like before opening the school. So a headmaster must have to fix the goal, that what the thing he want to achieve or what the thing he is going to implement in school. So that thing should be pre-planned. And next sub point is planning during the first week, month, and year. So all these things, that what the thing he want to achieve in the very first week of opening of school, and what the changes he want to see among student till the completion of first month, and what are the changes he want to achieve till end of the year. All those things should be planned by a headmaster. Again, next sub point is planning at the end of year. At end of year, in sense that the presence of the student till the completion of schooling. It means a students completion of academic year, that what should be the changes come among the student, that all things should be planned by a teacher, that the how he will get all those all those goal which he has already planned. Next, role in school organization. The headmaster is not to plan theoretically, but to give them a practical shape. In this regard, he must organize the instructional work. Headmaster have to organize some instructional work, like divide the whole years of work into a small unit. This will also involve the formulation of objective, selection of method of teaching, forming of timetable. All this should be organized by a teacher. Again, in sense of organization, teacher must have to organize some co-curricular activity in school, like sport, scouting, girl guidance, parent teacher association, celebration of religious and social functions, and festivals. So all these things should be organized by a headmaster to implement curriculum. Again, teacher have to organize the plans of school. Plans of school, in sense that teacher must have to maintain the library, laboratory, classroom, and all the furnitures. All these things should be organized in a systematic way, as well as that the repairing of school time to time in a very systematic way. So that help in achieving the that help in implementing the curriculum. Again, third one is the teaching role. The headmaster must share the instructional work with teacher. He should consider himself teacher first and then last. His teaching should be exemplary. Means teacher should be a teacher, means a headmaster should be a ideal teacher, that his method of the teaching should be observed and imitated or followed by their juniors or colleagues teacher. Again, the role of supervisor. So headmaster of school not simply sit in his office, and he should supervise the work of school everywhere. He should supervise instructional work. The headmaster should supervise the activities going on in the playground, hall, art room, library. All these things should be supervised by a headmaster. That the work can be done in a very smooth and proper way. So headmaster must be a good supervisor also. Again, next point, role of guidance. So this is also the very important role played by a headmaster, a role of guidance. Teachers, headmasters work is not only to uh, work as like a fault founder, or to find out the error, but he must have play a role he show the right path, right way of working to both the student as well as teacher. So this is also the responsibility of teacher, headmaster. Next point, role of maintaining a relation. So this is also the another important role played by a HM. In HM means headmaster in implementing the curriculum, like role maintenance. So a headmaster must have the quality to maintaining the role with a relation with like teacher, student and their parents to work in a proper and smooth way. If teacher is failed to establish the good communication, failed to maintain the good relation with their colleagues, student as well as the parents and other people of the society, then it might be a bit difficult for the teacher to implement the curriculum in a proper way. Next point, uh, role of general administrator. This is also one of very important role played by headmaster in implementing curriculum. Like general administrator, in sense that the headmaster have to formulate the some policy, as well as he have to maintain the register on regular basis, that work of school can be done on a uh, on time, as well as headmaster have to maintain the diary and register that the regularity and punctuality of student and teacher, and in this way that a teacher can play a multiple role in implementing the curriculum. So hope so that you understood and you like my lecture. Thank you.